contrition, because I got enough to spare. And I'll be granting your permission, cause you have